Nakita ko yung video, si Nagi, binatukan, minurat, kinasahan ng baril ang tatay ko. As his son, nakakapangahina. Sino nga naman talaga yung dehado doon? Of course, my father. He chose to forgive the man kahit na siya yung naagrabyado. Kung ipapakita natin na takot tayo sa ating mga kababayan, yun na din ang magiging paraan na pamumuhay nila habang buhay. Mananatili tayong takot. Exist in a society where the notion that mayaman lang ang may hustisya is becoming all too common. I chose to speak with Attorney Fortune after seeing his post because I wanted him to motivate my father to take legal actions against Gonzales. Hindi ko alam ang magiging desisyon mo. But as your son, nire-respeto kita sa desisyon na gagawin mo.
Mr. Earl Banjola, the son, you want to say something?
Yeah, actually, I prepared something here.
Sige. Ikaw ay anak ni Alan Banjola.